everybody. My name is Zakan, as you know. You would see it because... why am I even asking these questions? Maybe it's important. We're gonna be playing Rivals today. It's one of my favorite games. Let's play it. We're gonna find a player. I guess this guy wants to. Let's get into Rivals, my favorite game ever. But you'll already know what's my face, as you see in my profile picture. Oh shoot. Hacker? No. There's oh, I'm whiffing. No, that's not whiff. I'm ugly. How do you know, bro? That's what I do with a big bang. But as my first video, that was just a testing because I haven't created one. But I'm just gonna tell one of my information. I am 9 years old. And I'm gonna sponsor someone. It's not a game or app. I'm just gonna say, please subscribe. Not please. I'm not that desperate. He's my friend from school, Joaquim Forton. He makes some awesome videos, I think. He makes some cool videos, if that's what I mean. And mostly like to my video and subscribe and hit the notification bell. My friend does YouTube shorts. I make a gaming channel and I wish to be famous in the future. How did you hit every... Hacks. That's literally hacks. Absolute hacks. Bro, how? I'm sorry if I'm that bad. It mostly looks like he's hacking. So I'm gonna play another game. And please tell me I'm gonna be good. Oh no, this. Right, we gotta be fast because this video's about to end. But I'm gonna finish this video by saying thank you for listening, if you listen, I guess. And thank you for being in my channel. So, thank you for listening to me. I'm sorry, I'm just getting so nervous. Because this is mostly my first time, you know. I'm just a small, a pixel content creator. So, if you like, I'd like your support, please. Thank you if you came here. And if you came all the way here, please like and subscribe. So, it's about to end, so I hit a headshot for you guys. Thank you for watching this video, everybody. Thank you. So, Zaken out. Oh, not yet. Shit. Now it is. Zaken